right? Okay, I'm live now. I will give the link to you guys. Uh, where's the link? Yeah, wait, yeah, I will give you guys the link. How can I share this? Oh, maybe this one. Telegram. Okay, so can you go to YouTube? I will just delete the Google Meet message. Okay, thank you. Okay, yeah. Okay. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, Hanafi. Hi. Hello. I'm not sure. Now I can see your chat, but after this live ended, I cannot see your comment. I'm not sure why. Three Qayyim and Three Yunus, are you there? Can you say something? Good luck with the class. Thank you so much. I tried to go with Google Meet just now, but cannot record it when use the normal, not the email. I mean the lima email setting probably. Yeah. Hello, Nakrisma Mia. Waalaikumsalam, Shaiba. Hello, Shaiba. Welcome to the class. Yes, good. Alhamdulillah, Khairunisa. Hello, Rashid. Waalaikumsalam. Waalaikumsalam. Okay. Uh, for today. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh, everyone. I hope you guys are here. And if you cannot be in class right now, this will be recorded. All right, it will be recorded, and you can actually go back at our Telegram and also this recording. All right, for today, what we will do is there are a few activities that we will need to do. For now, we will need for activity 1. You will be doing for activity 1. Can you see, or is it being mirrored? Where is it? Let me double check. Is it mirrored? Oh, okay. It is not mirrored. Good. For activity 1, yes, you can see, yeah? Okay, good. Okay, so for activity 1, we will be doing the reading. We will be doing reading and also speaking. Reading and speaking. The one that I asked you to do just now, read the text. and activity C. Okay, so you will need to read the text just now, the one that the major, MCP major. What is MCP major? I don't understand what you said. What is that? So for speaking, for the focus, ideas focus, let me show you from our Telegram group just now. So this is our class, right? The textbook page, if you cannot really access the link, if connection is not too good, so that's why I gave you, all right, the pictures. That's for our activity. Now the textbook, you can see, let me, okay, so these are the textbook for the first unit, the one that from the Telegram, okay? And what you need to do is to read the text. This is the text. The text is here, as you can see. If you can see, is it clear? So you read this article, Meet the Ancestors. You need to read these. And then the next page is this one. The continuation is this one. The continuation. Can you see? All right, the continuation of it. 3 and 4. There's a reading that you need to do. Okay, and after you read this, you will need to answer the question here on the first page just now. So you need to answer this question. So what you need to do is to do C for activity number 1, activity C. Read the text about family history. What is family history? What is family history? Anybody can type there. Family history. Waalaikumsalam. Waalaikumsalam kepala botak. Okay, for family history, and match the headings. What is headings? Headings meaning this one. Can you see? For A, your turn. What does it mean by your turn? Your turn means giliran Anda, alright? For B, what is gynecology? Gynecology, sorry, not gynecology, okay? And for C, research and records. So these are the headings. What headings? Headings, the subtitle, alright? So what's the title for this text? The text title is Meet the Ancestors. And after you have read 1, 2, if you can see paragraph 1, you will see number 1 here. It will state here number 1 for paragraph 1. So if you think that that A is for number 1, so write your answer in the box 1. So if you think number 1 is supposed to be what is gynecology, so you need to write in the box the answer for number 1. So that's what the activity that you need to do for activity 1. And after that, as you can see, this page, what page is this? The second image that I gave you in the Telegram. All right, as you can see, there's the idea focus. There are two idea focuses here, 1 and 2 on the 2 pages. So what I would like you to do is for activity 1, answer the ideas focus near these 3 image. Okay, so what I would like you to do, you write the questions. There are how many questions there? If you could choose someone, right? Later on, when you watch this again, all right? If you could choose someone famous, sekiranya kamu ada, kamu boleh memilih, choose, pilih someone famous. You know, famous like Siti Nurhaliza or who else? Okay, and then to be in your family. Who would you choose and why? All right. So answer this question first. You write the question. Sorry for this. So you write the question. Write the question, and then you write your answer. The second question. If you could go back in time, sekiranya kamu boleh pergi balik ke masa lalu, which one of your ancestors? Yang manakah satu moyang anda? Ancestors meaning moyang. Would you like to meet? Alright? Yang kamu mahu jumpa. For example, okay? And then it says here why and why not. For example, your family, your family from you have the family ties from pendekar pendekar bujang lapuk. Or maybe your great grandfather. What is great grandfather? Great grandfather moyang datuk. All right, moyang. Okay, so you maybe you can ask your mother and your father, like who's your family? I mean, like any special? So if you think that you want to meet your grandmother or your grandfather or great grandfather, then write down your answers. That is for ideas focus. Okay, right? And then that's for activity 1. For today, I will give you some time now. I'll give you some time now to read. Okay, please read this article. Please do it. C, activity C and activity D. Can you do it now? I'll give you 10 minutes. Okay, now it is 10:40. I'll give you 10 minutes to read and answer the questions. You can write, you can ask me, for example, if you don't understand any words, you can ask in the in this chat, in the chat room and the chat section, or in the Telegram. Okay, 10 minutes. Give write your answer, write your questions and your answer. Read, see, and then you read these. This is 1, 2. Sorry, can you see? All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the article, and then you need to answer question C and also ideas focus. For ideas focus, I will explain to you after this how you need to record and submit to me. Okay, do it now. 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes. I'll stay here. Alright, so activity 1. Okay, Dayanku, Anissa, a lot of you are actually from actually good. Both classes are okay. All right, time's up. 10 minutes is up. Time's up. 10 minutes is up. Can you come back and see the YouTube? All right. So some of you are here. Okay, I will tell you what you guys need to do for today's lesson, right? So that we will do 3 activities. The one that you are doing now is activity number 1. You are doing activity number 1, which is reading and speaking. Okay, reading and speaking for exercise C, right? And ideas focus. For ideas focus, you need to record yourself. How do you need to record yourself? Let me show you how. Oh, wait. I will explain first what we need to do. Okay. For this one, you need to do the reading. And for activity 2, you need to do reading, which is do exercise D, E, and F. And you also need to do, I give you time around within this week, right? For our activity 1, 2, and 3. Language. The language awareness, you need to do exercise A to G. Okay? I'll show you from these pages. I'll show you again what to do for our activity 1. For our activity number 1, okay, do C, activity 1, do C, and ideas focus. C is on this page. Ideas focus is here. You need to record. Now, how you want to record? You, in your phone, I'm not sure how is the setting of your phone, but in my phone, I have every smartphone has the recording recording application. Like for me, I will go in my recording application, tape recorder. I will just put it in front. It's for that it is easier. All right, so I have a recorder here, the application of recorder. Your mom or your mom's or your dad's phone, or even what phone that you are using, whether it is your phone or other people's phone. So you need to find the application of recorder. So after you have found this recorder, what you should do, you can record. So that's why I want you to write your questions and also the answers first in your book, in your notebook, the one that I told you just now, for ideas focus. And after you had actually written your answers, you can record. How you do it? Just click on record, and then you say your name, greet first, be polite. What is polite? Polite means by what do we call polite? Sopan. All right, sopan. Be polite, and then you greet your teacher first. For example, Assalamualaikum teacher. I am, say your full name, from class 3 Ibnu Yunus, from class 3 Ibnu Qayyim. This is my answer for ideas focus. Not answer. You read the question and you give the answer. For question 1 just now, let me double check. Let me look at the okay. Somebody asked. Come here. I'm scrolling our Telegram. Okay, so for the question of ideas focus, so you need to say the question, read aloud, and after that you write you say your answer. That's question one, and then question two. I cannot really see. It is blur. So yes. So when you again, right now I can see again. Yeah. Okay. Ideas focus exercise. Speaking. Assalamualaikum, Miss. My name is Siti Nurhaliza. Example from 3 Ibnu Yunus. Ideas focus. Read aloud the question. Yeah. If you could choose someone famous to be in your family, who would you choose and why? Your answer? If I can choose someone famous to be in my family, I would choose that because that. Okay? For example, if I can choose someone famous, I will want Siti Nurhaliza to be my family. This is because Siti Nurhaliza is a very good singer and entrepreneur. She also helps people a lot. For example, that's the example of how you want to say. Okay? Anybody famous. Your choice. Okay? And then the second one. If you could go back in time, you read the question, yeah? You read the question, read aloud. If you could go back in time, which one of your ancestors would you like to meet? Why? Why not? And then you say your answers. After you have said your answer, you save the recorder, save this recording. Okay, you need to save this recording. For example, I want to save this as ideas. You can say week 2 ideas focus English. And then maybe write your name. And then write your name. Example on how you want to save your recorder, your recording. I'm sorry. And then you save. Click here, save. Okay, so it is here. Week 2 ideas focus. If possible, maybe you can write your name and your class so that I can easier look at, okay, who's recording and whose recording is this. So after you have recorded here, so it will be in your phone. What you can do together with the answers of all of these, you can actually write these questions and answers in your book, and then after that you can take picture of your works, and then you gave to me. It is up to you if you want to put it in the group or you want to DM me. What is DM? Direct message. Right? It depends on you. If you are comfortable to give your answers in the group, yes, you can write and you can give your answers in the group. But if not, you need to DM me your pictures of answers plus your speaking practice, the recording. Remember the activity of number 1. This is the activity. The speaking, S is speaking. Yeah, I just make a shortcut because of the small space here of this board. So the ideas focus, you need to give it to me together. Now, how? Imagine this is your. Let's open the Telegram, our Telegram group. All right. So this is a Telegram group. What you can do is you click on the attachment. Click on this clip. clip icon and go to File, find your recording just now. Okay, go to your internal storage or where maybe in the music, find it. Okay, where is it? So recording. Okay, so you can find it and then you can put it together. You can give together for your work. Okay, I just want to I don't want to waste time now because you need to do the activities, right? So do you understand what to do today? You can type in the comment, or you can type in Telegram your questions. I'm looking at the Telegram while doing this recording, this live. Yes, okay. Higher, I think you're Datu higher, right? All right. So for exercise D, E, and F, okay, I explained to you just now your activity 1, reading and speaking. For activity 1. So for this week, we cover 3 activities. For the first activity, it is this one, yeah. I explained to you, and I guess you did before. You did the reading as well, right? And ideas focus. The next activity, still reading from the text that you read just now. You need to do exercise D, E, and F. Right? Let me show you from the picture just now. In our Telegram group, I've put the image here for textbook page 7 and 8. So that's maybe if it is quite hard for you to look at the flip book. I mean the ebook. So you can just click and look at the picture that I gave to you just now. So for activity 2, okay, reading D, E, and F, it is all here. Okay. Where is it? Here. Activity D. Can you see? Or should I make it like this? Okay. Activity D. Here. Read the exam close up. Then read the exam task below and underline the keywords in the text. Right? Where is the exam close up? The exam close up is here. Right? It says for activity D, read the exam close up. This one. All right? Read the exam close up. Then read the exam task. This is the exam task. Can you see? The exam task and underline the keywords. What is underline? Gariskan. Yeah? Gariskan. Keywords. What is keywords? All right? Keyword is kata kunci. What is kata kunci? All right. Now let's look. I'll give you the example. Yeah? In the text. The exam close up here, it said that normally in your textbook, the exam close up This is more on tips on answering your PT3 exam. All right? Reading the exam question first. All right? And then you read. It's a good idea to read the exam sentences very carefully. I'm not sure that you can actually see this. Hopefully. Okay, hopefully you can see. Okay, and then it is good idea to read the exam sentences very carefully before you read the text. Underline the keywords. Keywords is kata kunci on each statement. So for this exercise, we are actually trying to cope, trying to do exercise how you want to answer the exam question. All right. Write true or false. Okay, for this one, you need to read. You need to read after this. Read on your own, and after that, just give your example on how you want to do the exam task for for question 1 until 10 here. Let's look at question 1. Question 1. You need to write true or false. What is true? True is correct. Okay, betul. False is salah. We look the way we do because of the genes in our DNA. How you want to answer this? You need to read back the text, okay? So you need to understand the text, right? And you need to see the keyword. Okay, where is the keyword? All right. So I'm not sure how. Okay. The keyword here for me, if you have written this activity, you need to write down the question. All right, you need to write down this question and then you need to underline. For example, if you think that genes and DNA, okay, you underline gene, okay, and then you underline DNA. All right, and then we look, okay, look. So in your book, you need to underline. Remember? Okay, underline. And then after you have identified the keywords, so you need to underline. And then you try to look back at the text, right? Where do you think the text talked about this? Right? So that's why you underline, because you want to see where is it that this question in the text, right? So look back. I need to erase this. Right. Okay. Understand? Waalaikumsalam, Shazwan. I see you. Okay, and for the others without name, so I don't know who you are, but I will take your name here. I will take picture after this for those who chat here, so that I will see this as your attendance as well. Okay, now that is for activity D. You need to do D and then E and F. For activity E, let's see. Now complete the exam task. Use the words you underlined to help you. Okay, we do it stage by stage. What is stage? Peringkat. We do this exercise stage by stage. Peringkat demi peringkat. So the first stage is this one, F. You underline first, all right? And then you do true or false. Do true or false, sorry. Do true or false, it is actually here. All right, use the underlined words to help you to complete it, true or false. Okay, and then exercise F. Find the underlined words in the text. Find, cari the underlined words perkataan yang telah digariskan and think about what they mean. Fikirkan apa maksud dia. Okay? Then circle the correct meanings below. Alright, you think first, don't look at the dictionary yet. Okay? The reason why we are learning about reading, it is actually to help you to identify. What is identify? Identify is kenal pasti, right? So, untuk mengenal pasti, macam mana? How? If you have the words that you don't understand, perkataan yang tak tahu, yang tak faham. Okay, how you want to it will help you. So this is why we are learning this reading skill, right? So don't look at dictionary yet, right? So try to look here. Circle the correct meanings below. Which one that you think that, for example, number 1, take after. I'm not sure whether it is clear that you can because here I cannot see it clearly. Hope that you can see it clearly. Right. Here, take after. What does it mean, you think? 1, to follow somebody, or the second one, to be like somebody. Okay. Which one that you think the answer is? Take after. What do you think? Okay. Who can answer me? What do you think? Take after, which one? To follow somebody or to be like somebody? Who can answer me? Okay, because sometimes follow is ikut, right? Ikut, follow. To be like somebody, untuk menjadi seperti seseorang. Okay, which one that you think the answer is? So you circle, right? In the exercise later on. Got it? So this actually for activity, the second activity of us. I'll repeat again. What actually our lesson for today, all right? First is reading and speaking. Exercise C and ideas focus. Exercise C, you do the headline, the subtitle, and then the ideas focus, you need to do your speaking. You record. You need to write down first the question and answers, and then you record. Activity 2, reading. Exercise D, E, and F. Right? So I explained to you just now. Exercise D, E, and F. Right? So I hope you understand. If you don't understand, you can actually ask me in the Telegram, okay, or even in the text, the chat message, okay. For example, if I talk too fast, you can actually watch back at this recording. I'll give you this. This one it's already been given the link, so you can just watch this back. All right, and then activity 3. Let's continue. So for activity 3, it is the language section. Section. It is actually based on your vocabulary and also your grammar. Okay, where is it? Okay, the exercise of A to G. Okay, it is here. In the textbook, it is on this page. What page is this? Page 8. Okay, vocabulary section. It is A, B, C. For D, E, F, and G, you can actually look at the flip book, or I will actually give you the picture. Okay. So I hope you understand. To be like somebody. To be like somebody. To be like somebody. Let's see whether your answer is correct, Shaiba. To be like somebody. Let's say to look like somebody, not to be like somebody. Your answer is correct. Okay, so for number one, the answer just now is like to take after. This one, the question, take after. Take after just now, Shaiba's answer was correct. Okay, the answer is to be like somebody, right? To be like somebody or to look like somebody. Oh, actually, I think it is not to be like somebody. I think it's supposed to be to look like somebody. Okay, normally it's when your mother has beautiful eyes, so maybe you will have beautiful eyes as well. So that is genes or DNA, right? Okay, now I will ask any questions because I will give you some time to do your work. Okay, it's already 11:10. Okay, any question? I will give you, I will try to give you, to show you this G. If you have good internet connection, it is very nice that it's easier for you to look at the flipbook that I gave you. But for now, I will screenshot this and I will share with you the next page, page 9. Okay, so I will make it, I'll zoom in first. No, I will make it full screen first. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to help you here. So if you don't understand, you can ask me now anything. This is for the language part. The the grammar part, I will explain to you later on. Okay, I'm saving it right now. So this is for activities 3. Activity 3. Do exercise A to G. Okay, I'm sending you a telegram right now. For activity 2. Okay. Okay. Yes, any question? Fantastic. Yes, Aiba. Complete to-do list at Telegram? Yes. I will. I will give the complete activity in just now. Okay, I'll give you some time. So I have put in Telegram and let me show you. So Telegram, the activity 3, do exercise A to G, right? It's downloading. 1.6 megabyte because I saved it PNG picture so that the quality will not be decreased when you open it. It's still opening. So I've put in the Telegram, right? The activity 3. Okay. So now I give you some time to do all of the activities. Write down. Okay. So you can watch this again in order for you to understand what you should do. Okay, it is here. I put it already. This is for activity 3. Okay, good. FX, Dex, Dixo, YT. Aklan. Okay, good, if you understand. Right? Right. Uh, you can watch this again. Okay. For now, I will explain to you. I'm sorry. I will take some of your a little bit more time to explain. Okay. For activity 3. Now I have explained to you. I have explained to you activity 1 and 2. Okay. This is actually what we do this week. Yeah. Um. If possible, try to do it by today before 5 p.m. If possible, please, if you can do. But if you cannot do by today, you can submit to me by this week. Okay. Today until Friday. Can you do it until Friday? Hopefully, if you cannot do it by today. If you can do it by 5 p.m. today, it will be very good and fantastic. All right. Okay, now I will explain to you about the language. A little bit of your time. I just will take a little bit of your time. Right? So for vocabulary, I've given you in the telegram. So for A to G for activity 3, so you need to do A, match the definitions with the members of the family. What is match? Match is padankan, right? So what you need to do is, for example, okay, your mom's mother, emak kamu punya emak. Who is it? Number 2, your brother's or sister's daughter. Kamu punya abang atau kakak punya anak perempuan. Okay, who is it? Okay, and then number 3, your uncles and aunts' children. Pakcik kamu dan makcik kamu punya anak-anak. Okay, siapa mereka tu? Who are they? Okay, and then match. If you think that number 3 is A, so you match. Okay. Number 4, your brother or sister's son. Kamu punya abang atau kakak punya anak lelaki. Alright. So, who is it? Number 5, your mother's sister. Kamu punya emak punya kakak. Is it correct, my Malay? Sorry if it is not okay. Okay, number 6, your father's wife if he marries again. Ayah kamu punya isteri, wife is isteri, if he marries again. If sekiranya dia berkahwin sekali lagi. Marries is kahwin, again lagi sekali. Right, so the answers that you need to match. Alright, so A, aunt. Aunt is your makcik. Okay, B, niece. Niece is anak saudara perempuan. Number C, what is it? Stepmother. Ibu tiri. Okay, D, grandmother, nenek. Nenek. Okay, E, nephew, anak buah. Okay, F, cousin, sepupu. Okay. Next, for exercise B, complete the sentences. Always read the instructions first, yeah, before you do anything or any work, okay? Complete the sentences using 2 of the words in each groups, okay? As you can see, the yellow highlighted words here, there are 3 words that's been highlighted here. So 1, 2, and 3. I will just give you an example here for number 1, yeah? For number 1, you can see height, slim, tall. Height is ketinggian. Slim, kurus. Tall, tinggi. So Peter has always been Peter selalunya adalah okay. He was 1.98 meters when he was 14 years old. He's also quite thin, even though he eats a lot. So which of these 2 words that you can fill in the blanks? So maybe The answer is like this. Peter has always been very tall. There's a highlighted word here, tall. He was 1.98 meters when he was 14 years old. He's also quite slim, even though he eats a lot. How do you know you want to use the word slim to fill in this blank? Because of the even though. Even though means walaupun. Okay, dia makan banyak. Same goes with the other questions. Yeah? And then C, complete the text with these words. What is complete? Okay, isikan teks ini dengan these words. Perkataan-perkataan ini. Where are the words? Here, in the yellow highlighted words. Young, muda, kind, baik, easygoing. Easygoing means relax je orang dia, alright? Height, ketinggian. Elderly, orang tua. Hardworking, rajin. Nervous, gementar. Way. Way means berat or mempunyai berat. What? So you need to read these texts. Okay, if you don't understand, you need to refer to dictionary. This is where it helps. It can help you, right? That is C. For exercise D, where is D just now? Yeah, so you continue to do F until G. Okay, so any questions? I hope you understand. Do you understand? Okay. All right. Okay, so I'll give you some time to actually do your works. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the Telegram group. Okay, I hope my explanation helped you for this week's lesson, right? So I hope that you can finish it by 5 p.m. today. If you cannot, by Friday, all right? Okay. So I will take the pictures of the live chat as for your attendance, because before this it was not in the chat after I have recorded this, so I need to take your names here. Okay. I hope that they should be timestamp, but there's no timestamp. All right, so I think that's all for my live today. Okay, I hope that you learned something. I repeat, today we learned the topic of our activities, family, relationship, the one that I asked you. I asked you just now in the Telegram, right? What is relationship? What is ties? Not is tie like necktie. Okay, tie means pertalian. Okay, it's almost the same like in a relationship, right? And then all of these, the text that you have read, and then the exercises, those are all within our topic of family. Okay, all the words, the vocabularies, on, okay, relationship. Yes, correct, Aklan. All right, the relationship. What is relationship? Not always relationship like girlfriend, boyfriend, not like that. Okay, of course that's relationship as well, but this one is more on family, right? I hope that I have the textbook so that I can show you. But inshallah later on, if we have rizki, we can make it even better. All right. Okay. What else? Yeah, I think that's all. Right. I hope you can watch this again. If you I will put it under my YouTube channel here, and then later on if you want to watch again, so you can always watch it again, yeah, for your how you want to do it. For example, if you want to record or something like that. Okay, I hope I helped you anyway. Good, Shaiba. Alhamdulillah. All right. So, inshallah, good. I'm not sure who you are. Say goodbye, goodbye, family. Okay. So, see you guys later on. If you have any questions like, Miss, where can I find dictionary? Okay, and so on. If you don't have dictionary with you, you can go to oxford.com. Okay. Oh, Akil. All right. Okay. Hello, Akil. Okay. All right. I hope you can ask me. Always ask me. You don't worry. If you don't understand, for example, means I don't understand what you say. Okay. Okay. You can text me. You can. I'm willing to help. I want to help you. Okay. All right. Okay. I think that's all for the recording. Hopefully you can watch it again. Okay. See you guys later. And please do your work. Okay. After I end this live, please do your work. Yeah. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Bye. Assalamualaikum.